Hi there, my name is Enda McCormick, and this is a video I created in one day just to show the pipeline, how to create a cockpit, Airbus 350 simulated VR cockpit, just with basic white box textures and materials. So they're not finalized, polished assets, but this is the initial concept. So basically, I used Photoshop to storyboard, to look at the ergonomics, spatial awareness, interactive dimensions for a human sitting in a cockpit, dimensions of a cockpit, and then I looked up some blueprints online, reference for the layout of the new instrumentation, for fly-by-wire technology, and then after I would take it into modeling, into 3D Max, modeling software, and from there I would take it into Substance Painter, which is a high-end texture painting software where you can paint in the metal panels, the nuts, bolts, and UV map all the assets. And from there then I would finally take the polished assets with all the grouping, textures, UV maps into Unity, and set up SteamVR, and then interactively test out in VR and teleport around in the cockpit just to check for dimensions. Thank you very much for watching, and that's the pipeline.